Hi guys, your girl Yutizi here. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I told you I'll be giving you update on Gulder Ultimate Search, what is happening right now. I know a lot of you have a lot of questions, a lot of you want to actually know more. Well, this is the channel to come to in case you want to know anything reality, anything trendy, anything top notch. I give you the gist as it dey hot. Well, if you're new here, please remember to click on the subscribe button and subscribe, like, and also share. So I don't want to waste much time because I have a whole lot of information to pass across to you concerning the Gulder Ultimate Search. In my mind, I'm tempted to say Big Brother concerning the Gulder Ultimate Search. So everything you need to know about the contestant, how the show is going to be like, about the grand prize, about things that are happening. Well, I'm here to give you the update. So let me move straight to what is happening right now. So if you've been watching the previous season, some people are just starting, some people, they were young when Gulder Ultimate Search started and they don't really know much about it. So Gulder Ultimate Search started like 2004 and they've had over 11 seasons, then they stopped. So this is like 7 years later, they are coming back and they want to actually start again. For those of you that watched my previous video, you'll notice that there's a lot of conflict, there's a lot of controversy concerning the anchor of the show, that is Toke Makinwa, that was introduced. Well, I've gotten more information that it's not the role of a taskmaster. Before now, why a lot of people got it confused is that before now we only have one presenter. It's either we have the likes of Chidi Mokeme, and the person will do basically everything. But now they are sharing the task. The person that is the taskmaster is different from who the anchor is. So for us that had a little bit of questions about how is Toke Makinwa going to be in the jungle and doing all that, no, she's not doing all that. She might not even necessarily even be in the jungle. If she's there, she'll not be the one giving them the task, telling them what to do, how to do it, what Chidi was doing. That is the role of Kunle. He's the taskmaster. What Toke Makinwa probably will be doing something like what Ebuka does in Big Brother Naija. She'll just be giving us some headlights on what's happening, blah blah blah. So she doesn't necessarily have to be inside the jungle, or she's not a taskmaster, because we all know that is the role of someone that is very physical. I guess that is why a lot of Nigerians had their own doubts about Toke. Why Toke? Me too, I did, but we're getting clarified as the day goes on. So that is by the way. So Toke is just the anchor. We have a taskmaster, that's Kunle Oluwaremi, and I think he's going to do well, and I think Toke is going to do well as well, because we need all the juicy things that we'll probably not see. Another thing you need to know about Gulder Ultimate Search is that they're going to be airing during the weekends by 8 p.m. So if you're using GoTV, is on African Magic Family, on DSTV is on Showcase, is on African Magic Family, is on Urban as well. So any of the dishes or platforms that you have, you can stream it using those platforms. And then I had to get a lot of information so that I can give you guys the gist as it hot. Well, the next thing I want to talk about is also, I was asking, okay, what is the grand prize? A lot of people don't know the grand prize. Well, the grand prize for this year is 50 million naira. I was telling somebody that if they go lower than 50 million naira, well, people will not rate them, but they did well. They actually got to 50 million naira. So they'll get the winner will get a 20 million naira. No, is it 20 million naira cash prize? Yes, a 20 million naira cash prize. They get an SUV and other fantastic prizes that will balance up the whole 50 million naira, and it is actually nice. Unlike Big Brother, that the other contestants don't really get money at the end of the day. Some people go without anything. No, in Gulder Ultimate Search, everybody is a winner. Everybody goes home with money. I like it already. Well, the question now on a lot of people's mind is, people from Big Brother just came out. They are still getting their fame. They are still going on tours, they are still visiting. I guess that's why there's a lot of rush to actually do a lot of meet and greet by all these housemates, because right now that Gulder Ultimate Search is about to start, will Gulder Ultimate Search steal the shine of Big Brother Naija housemates that just came out of the house? Because normally Big Brother happens every year, and well, the housemates, the ex Big Brother people that come out, they actually have 1 year to actually showcase themselves before a new set is up. But now, well, Good Housemaid Search is on this week, and they just came out last week, so they have 1 week or so to shine, and that is depending on if Good Housemaid Search they actually do very well. And the thing is, the fact that the reality TV show is not like, they've not made it known that it's like 24 hours. They say it's basically weekends. I'm still skeptical about that because, well, weekends, we are used to 24 hours for reality shows. We need to see it live, so we don't buy the idea of, some edited things showing us things that have already been recorded. So I'm still watching to see how that would go, but I'm hopeful that it's going to be very interesting. Very, very interesting. What else do I want to update you on? Well, there's a lot of sponsors, and they'll be revealing it on the show. 20 contestants in total. Well, first of all, they chose 16 contestants. They had 4 wild cards, and the voting line was open. 2 more were picked. So there are now 18 contestants that will be going into the jungle, and whatever information that comes up next, they are going to let us know. So the winners are chosen by voting. So, well, in case you want to know the housemates, or you like any of the housemates, well, you should get yourself ready, you should get your family, your friends ready, so that you guys can actually vote for this person or whoever it is that is going to win. Well, for this particular 2021 episode, that's season 12, because I told you we've done 11 seasons over the years. They are starting again, and this is season 12. There are 4 ladies, and then the rest are guys. I'm like, what happened? Before this be more ladies, no ladies want to suffer anymore. Well, the housemates, they've actually revealed them to us. They've been at an opening night where they actually showed us this housemate, and I'm going to read some of their names. Trust me, these people are really sporty. They have things in the sporting line. Some are athletes, some are into swimming, some are into running. They just have the whole lot of Jimmy thing. You see it in their body that, yes, these ones are not butter, these ones, they are ready for the jungle. Well, so I'm going to give you some of the names so that you start getting acquainted with these housemates, or I say housemate contestants, because they are not in the house. Their houses, they are going to build their own house by themselves. It's not big BBN that they'll be eating chicken every day and they'll be doing small tasks and singing up and down. No, this one is a lot of physical strength. So the 18 housemates I'll be reading out to you. The first person here is Michael Lesson, and then we have Opeyemi Samuel Ishmael, we have Chidinma Okibe, Olayinka Gabriel Omoya, Inyabasi Umoren, Solomon Iliya Yankari, we have Rachel Bello, we have Tosin Michael, we have Damilola Opeyemi, we have Tobechukwu Okoye, we have Emmanuel Ifeanyi Nebe, we have Estima Francis Edem, we have Demola Johnson, we have Gerald Odeka, we have Jennifer Goodness Okorie. Well, which other ones? Okay, we have Godswill Obo, we have Odudu Ime Otu, and then we have Osasere Junior Ogbonile. Well, those are the people we're expecting to see on our screens, for them to thrill us with tasks, for them to give us the drill. We need new content. We are always craving for great content. Well, these are people that are going to give us content, and we're expecting nothing but the best. As you're coming back, our expectations are high, and I pray that every expectations that people are expecting, that Good Housemaid Search actually meet it and supersede it. Well, they're doing so well so far. So you're starting this weekend. Good Housemaid Search is officially starting. So get yourself ready to have fun, to enjoy, to actually see what they have to give us. And for now, I think that really sums it up. So we are getting 50 million naira. The winner is getting 50 million naira. There are over 18 contestants right now. They had 2 wild cards, so that they might bring on in the show, and they've all gone through the whole COVID procedure, so they are fine. They've been doing trainings, so they are getting ready to go into the jungle already. And in the jungle, they have to sort themselves out. If you know about Good Housemaid Search, you have to sort yourself out. Nobody's sorting anybody for anybody. So I guess they've been a lot of orientation on how it's going to be. But for now, this is the information I'll be passing across to you. And when the comparison starts between BBN, and I'll be here to give you the gist. And when more information comes, I'll be here as well. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. In case you want to know more, you can actually leave it in the comment section what you want to know, what you want me to talk about. I'll be here to actually give you the update. All right, see you in the next episode of Good At Research and other topics I'll be bringing to you. I'm your girl, Tizzy. Bye for now.